How to see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here in this section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type in the person name. And here, if the account doesn't appear, it could mean that they have blocked you or deleted the account. And with that, next is to check your chat history. So go to your chat section, and now here in the chat list, if you used to chat with them but now the conversation is gone, that's the another sign that means that they have blocked you on Snapchat. And with that, step 3 is to try sending them a snap. So here, if the chat is still there, try sending them a snap or message, and if it never delivers, it is possible that they have blocked you. And here, to be extra sure, ask the mutual friend to search for the username, and if the friends can see the profile but you can't, then yes, you have been blocked. And that's it. That's how you can tell if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.